Welcome to our channel. If you want to build your credit score quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions to establish a strong credit history and improve your financial opportunities. Step 1. Check your current credit score and review your credit reports from all three major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Identify any errors or negative items that might be incorrectly lowering your score. Step 2. Open a secured credit card if you have limited or poor credit history. These cards require a refundable deposit that becomes your credit limit and help you build credit with responsible use. Step 3. Become an authorized user on someone else's credit card, preferably a family member or trusted friend who has excellent payment history and low credit utilization. Their positive credit behavior can benefit your score. Step 4. Apply for a credit builder loan from a credit union or online lender. These specialized loans hold the borrowed money in a savings account while you make payments, building credit and savings simultaneously. Step 5. Pay all your bills on time, every time, as payment history is the most significant factor affecting your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Step 6. Keep your credit utilization below 30% of your available credit limits. This means if you have a card with a $1,000 limit, keep your balance below $300 at all times. Step 7. Avoid applying for multiple credit accounts in a short period, as each application creates a hard inquiry that temporarily lowers your score. Space out applications by at least 6 months. Step 8. Keep old credit accounts open even if you don't use them often, as length of credit history positively impacts your score. Closing old accounts reduces your average account age and available credit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.